in order to encrypt and de-encrypt, for cryptography, we use a key method. These keys need to be generated, exchanged, revoked, all this process, how this is happen. This is we use the Diffie-Hellman key exchange method. By using the Diffie-Hellman key exchange method, we exchange, the keys are generated, keys are verified, keys are, can be revoked or certain period of time. This is the clear method is defined. So when it was defined, there was a scientist. There was a scientist called Diffie-Hellman, the scientist who generated this, 1976. It's actually asymmetric. See, all other were symmetric, but this is asymmetric. And the maximum key size can be up to 4096. Start from 512. Speed is slow. Unknown. It is not easy to crack. Unknown, but considered safe using key of 2048. And medium. Resource consumption is medium. So the resource mean the CPU memory utilization of the device.